Have you ever considered the pivotal role confidence plays in shaping your daughter's future? Confidence, that intangible quality, is like a magic key. It can unlock doors to opportunities and possibilities that would otherwise remain closed. It's a crucial ingredient in the recipe for success, not just for boys, but equally, if not more, for girls. Let's delve deeper into why confidence is so important for our daughters. Confidence influences their choices, the relationships they form, their academic performance, and even their career paths. A confident girl is more likely to make decisions that are in line with her values and aspirations. She's less likely to succumb to peer pressure or engage in risky behavior. She's also more likely to stand up for herself when faced with adversity or injustice. In relationships, confidence enables girls to set healthy boundaries and stand up for their rights. It helps them navigate the complexities of interpersonal relationships with grace and assertiveness. It also bolsters their resilience, allowing them to bounce back from setbacks and disappointments. When it comes to academics, studies have shown that girls with high levels of confidence are more likely to excel in their studies. They are more likely to participate in class, ask questions, and seek help when needed. They are also more likely to pursue traditionally male-dominated fields like science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, breaking down gender stereotypes. In the professional world, confidence is a vital asset. It empowers women to negotiate for better pay, seek promotions, and take on leadership roles. According to a study by the American Psychological Association, women with high self-confidence are more likely to be successful in their careers. But the benefits of confidence extend beyond academic and career success. Confident girls grow up to be confident women who are more likely to lead fulfilling, happy lives. They are more likely to take care of their physical and mental health, engage in positive relationships, and contribute positively to society. Nurturing confidence in daughters is not a luxury, but a necessity for their success and well-being. So let's take a look at how we can help our daughters grow into confident, empowered women. Stay tuned for the next segment where we'll delve into expert opinions on confidence building. Experts from diverse fields agree on the significance of confidence in young girls. Their collective wisdom tells us that confidence isn't just a trait, it's a cornerstone of success and well-being. Dr. Susan Harder, a prominent psychologist and self-esteem expert, once said, "Confidence is the belief in oneself and one's powers or abilities." She emphasizes that confidence is not about being the best, but about being comfortable with who you are, and that it is a vital part of a young girl's development. Educators see the impact of confidence in the classroom every day. As Marianne Williamson, a renowned author and speaker, puts it, "As we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same." Teachers echo this sentiment, emphasizing that when girls are confident, they are more likely to participate, to express their ideas, and to lead. They see firsthand how confidence inspires a love for learning and a resilience in the face of challenges. Successful women, too, credit their accomplishments to confidence. Tennis champion Serena Williams once shared, "I always believe I can beat the best, achieve the best. I always see myself in the top position." Her words underline the power of self-belief and the role it plays in overcoming obstacles and reaching goals. Experts agree that fostering confidence in daughters is about more than just teaching them to believe in themselves. It's about showing them that their voices matter, that their ideas are valuable, and that they are capable of achieving anything they set their minds to. It's about teaching them to embrace failure as an opportunity for growth and to celebrate their successes, no matter how small. But how can parents and caregivers nurture this vital trait in their daughters? How can they set the stage for their girls to step into their power and shine their light? It starts with understanding the importance of confidence and then implementing strategies that foster it. As these experts suggest, building confidence is about empowering girls to take charge of their lives. It's about helping them understand that they are capable, they are worthy, and they are enough, just as they are. So how do you nurture this essential trait in your daughter? The answer lies in adopting strategies that promote independence, resilience, and validation of feelings. First, let's talk about encouraging independence. It's a crucial stepping stone to building confidence. Independence doesn't mean leaving your child to navigate the world alone. It's about providing opportunities for her to make decisions, solve problems, and learn from her experiences. This could be as simple as allowing her to choose her outfit for the day, or as challenging as letting her handle a school project on her own. When she takes charge, she learns to trust her abilities and judgment, fostering a sense of self-assuredness. Now let's move on to resilience. Life isn't always a bed of roses. There will be times when your daughter will face difficulties, setbacks, or disappointments. Promoting resilience means teaching her that it's okay to fail and that failure is a part of learning and growing. It's about helping her understand that challenges are temporary and can be overcome. This might involve discussing past failures and how she overcame them, or talking about famous people who experienced failure before achieving success. By doing so, you're helping her build a solid foundation of inner strength and determination. Lastly, we have validation of feelings. This strategy involves acknowledging and accepting your daughter's feelings, whether they're positive or negative. It's crucial not to dismiss or minimize her emotions. Instead, let her express herself freely and validate her feelings by letting her know that it's completely normal to experience a range of emotions. This could be as simple as saying, "I understand why you're upset," or "It's okay to feel this way." By validating her feelings, you're showing her that her emotions are important and that she has the right to feel the way she does. This fosters self-esteem and self-worth, which are key components of confidence. But remember, nurturing confidence is not a one-time event. It's not about giving a pep talk and expecting an immediate transformation. It's an ongoing process that requires patience and persistence. It's about consistently applying these strategies and providing a supportive environment where your daughter feels safe to explore, take risks, and express herself. So, let's recap. To nurture confidence in your daughter, you need to encourage independence, promote resilience, and validate her feelings. Each strategy is a piece of a larger puzzle that, when put together, creates a picture of a confident, self-assured individual. And remember, the journey of nurturing confidence is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's a journey that you and your daughter will embark on together, one that will undoubtedly have its ups and downs. But with patience, persistence, and the right strategies, you can help your daughter develop a strong sense of confidence that will serve her well throughout her life. Remember, nurturing confidence is an ongoing process that requires patience and persistence. Parents play a crucial role in this confidence-building journey. Indeed, the home is the first place where our young girls begin to form their self-concept. As parents, we hold a significant influence over how they perceive themselves, their capabilities, and their worth. Let's delve into the ways parents can foster their daughter's confidence. Firstly, parental support is essential. This doesn't merely mean cheering your daughter on from the sidelines, but actively engaging in her passions and interests. Show an interest in her hobbies, ask about her day, and lend an ear when she needs to vent. This active involvement communicates a vital message, that she is valuable and her pursuits are important. In turn, this boosts her self-esteem, providing her with the assurance that she is capable and worthy. It also encourages her to take risks and step out of her comfort zone, knowing she has a safe space to return to. Secondly, modeling confidence is another powerful tool. Remember, our children learn more from what we do than what we say. Show your daughter what confidence looks like in action. This could be as simple as standing up for yourself when wronged or as complex as navigating a stressful situation with grace. Demonstrate that it's okay to make mistakes and that failure is not a sign of weakness but an opportunity for growth. Show her that it's perfectly fine to not know everything and that asking for help is a strength, not a weakness. Also, it's essential to remember that confidence is not about being the loudest in the room. It's about knowing your worth, setting boundaries, and not being afraid to express your opinions. Model these behaviors, and your daughter will likely follow suit. Thirdly, providing opportunities for success plays a pivotal role in building confidence. Encourage your daughter to take on challenges and new experiences. Whether it's joining a new club at school, trying out for a sports team, or learning a musical instrument, these experiences help her discover her strengths and abilities. Celebrating her achievements, both big and small, also helps build her confidence. However, it's equally important to focus on the effort she puts in, not just the outcome. This way, she learns that it's the process and the persistence that truly matter, not just the end result. In conclusion, parents play an instrumental role in shaping their daughter's confidence. Through your support, the confidence you model, and the opportunities you provide for her to succeed, you can help your daughter build a strong sense of self-esteem. Remember, the goal is not to shield our daughters from challenges or failures, but to equip them with the resilience and self-belief to navigate these obstacles. Your actions and words can profoundly influence your daughter's confidence. So, Let's use this tremendous power wisely and consciously to nurture confident, resilient, and self-assured daughters. While fostering confidence, beware of these common pitfalls. Firstly, overpraising is a common mistake. It's easy to think that showering your daughter with compliments will boost her self-esteem, but it can actually backfire. When praise is not linked to real achievement, it can feel hollow and insincere. It's important to remember that not every effort needs a standing ovation. Instead, focus on praising her for specific things she does well, like her creativity in solving a problem or her persistence in overcoming a challenge. This helps her understand that her efforts and hard work are valued, and not just the end result. Secondly, not allowing for failure is another misstep. As a parent, it's natural to want to protect your child from disappointment. But remember, failure is a part of life, and it's essential for growth. It's through mistakes that we learn resilience and problem-solving skills. So if your daughter makes a mistake, don't rush to fix it. Instead, guide her through the process of finding a solution. This way, she'll learn that it's okay to make mistakes, and she'll develop the confidence to tackle challenges head-on. Lastly, setting unrealistic expectations can also hinder your daughter's confidence. Expecting her to be perfect in everything she does can lead to anxiety and self-doubt. It's important to have high standards, but they should be attainable and based on her abilities and interests. Encourage her to strive for her personal best, rather than comparing herself to others. This helps her understand that it's her individual journey that matters, and not whether she's keeping up with everyone else. Remember, confidence is not something that can be given. It must be built from within. So instead of overpraising, allow for failure and set realistic expectations. These strategies will help your daughter develop a strong sense of self-worth and equip her with the confidence to navigate life's ups and downs. Avoiding these mistakes can help your daughter develop genuine self-esteem. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. We began by exploring the importance of confidence in daughters. Confidence is not just about feeling good, it's a fundamental building block for a successful life. It boosts resilience, encourages risk-taking, and fosters a positive self-image. It's this self-assurance that empowers our daughters to navigate the world fearlessly, seizing opportunities and overcoming challenges along the way. We delved into expert opinions on confidence building, where psychologists and educators alike stress the significance of nurturing confidence from an early age. They emphasize that confidence is not innate, but something that can be cultivated through consistent encouragement and positive reinforcement. Then, we highlighted various strategies to nurture confidence. This included creating a safe space for expression, encouraging independence, setting realistic expectations, and celebrating small victories. Remember, it's not about creating a perfect child, but fostering a resilient one. We discussed the crucial role parents play in building confidence. Your interactions, the environment you create, and the values you instill all contribute to your daughter's self-esteem. You are her first role model, her first teacher. Your words and actions have a profound impact on how she views herself and the world around her. We also touched on some common mistakes to avoid. Overprotecting your daughter, setting unrealistic expectations, or neglecting her emotional needs can hinder her confidence growth. It's essential to strike a balance between guiding her and allowing her the freedom to learn and grow on her own terms. And finally, remember, nurturing your daughter's confidence can empower her to achieve her full potential and lead a fulfilling life. It's a journey, a process that requires patience, understanding, and unconditional love. But the payoff, seeing your daughter grow into a strong, confident woman, is indescribably rewarding. So let's commit to cultivating confidence in our daughters, fostering their resilience, celebrating their victories, and guiding them towards their full potential. Let's empower them to lead a life brimming with self-assurance, strength, and success. Remember, nurturing your daughter's confidence can empower her to achieve her full potential and lead a fulfilling life. Looking for a practical way to boost your daughter's confidence? Allow us to introduce the Prestige Martial Arts Leadership Training Program. This program is not just about physical strength, it's about building inner strength and resilience. It's about empowering your daughter to lead, communicate effectively, and set and achieve her own goals. Prestige Martial Arts is not just a martial arts school. It's a place where your daughter can learn to stand tall, speak up, and believe in herself. The focus is not only on martial arts techniques, but also on the values that are at the heart of martial arts: respect, discipline, and above all, confidence. The Leadership Training Program is a comprehensive initiative that integrates physical training with self-development activities. It's designed to nurture your daughter's confidence, enhance her communication skills, and instill a sense of achievement and accomplishment. And the best part? You can get a free 2-week trial to see if it's a good fit for your daughter. Visit our website today and give your daughter the gift of confidence. Remember, the journey to confidence is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And with the right guidance and support, your daughter can run that marathon with her head held high. So let's take that first step together. Visit Prestige Martial Arts today and let's commit to nurturing our daughter's confidence, resilience, and success.